Hello everyone, and welcome to our weather update on May 7th, 2024. So today was a dry day of the country, but it was quite cloudy with some breaks of hazy sunshine. Now into tomorrow, Wednesday, we'll only see more cloud coming in, courtesy of a high pressure being centered just to our southeast, and that's allowing still a slight influence from the Atlantic to come in with these fronts just off the coast of Connacht, possibly bringing some drizzle there into the evening. Now into Thursday, we still see plenty of clouds. I think that on Thursday, cloud will be more high based, so therefore some more hazy sunshine should break through for a time, especially in the afternoon. Now into Friday, this is when we'll see a better chance of more decent sunshine with some clearer breaks coming up from the south as the high does shift location. And then into Saturday, we could see again a day of decent bright blue sunshine, decent bright blue skies even, lovely sunshine, and very warm day as well. Before to Sunday, we start to see more cloud coming in from the west, and it does look like beyond Sunday it will break down, and we'll see low pressure next week. Low pressure. Now, I don't want that. Well, we could do with some of these actually in Ireland. Okay, so here's the temperature forecast. So tomorrow's highest temperatures of around 13 to 16 degrees, not as high as they were forecasting them to be a few days ago because we're now seeing more clouds. Now Thursday is a bit warmer than Wednesday, with possibly a localized 20 degrees in parts of the southeast Midlands. Into Friday, again, is even warmer with highs of around 17 to 21 degrees, warmest in the North Midlands there. And into Saturday, once again, 17 to 22 degrees, again, warmest in the central regions. Sunday does cool down a bit, especially in the west, but still staying very warm in the east, and the UK getting bathing there in this sunshine. And I think Sunday is still quite a sunny day for the UK. Moving on to our NAO forecasts. Okay, so again, as we've been seeing recently, we're now going into a positive phase of the NAO, so that means we'll see influence from the Azores High, and that is exactly what we're seeing this week. Azores High extension bring warmer and dry weather before next week we do see the NAO slip into a more negative territory, which does suggest more low pressure. And you'll see now that that is true on this GFS run. So again, the Azores High is coming through. Here's the Azores High down here, but it is extending into Ireland, the UK, and Europe really. So plenty of warm and dry weather there. Jet stream is way to our north, as well as the low pressure, so that's very good. Into the weekend though, we do see a trough forming over the country and to our west, so staying warm, but into Sunday we are at risk of seeing showers and heavy rain breaking out over the country, and same for Monday. And next week we just go into a generally more cyclonic theme, but it's possible that later in the week high pressure will try and return from the Azores, and on this run it does succeed this return, if briefly, before into the following week this dartboard low gets going. That's more like autumn than late spring really, and we end up with low pressure around the country. Here's the ECMWF12Z. So the ECM, again, we're warm and dry with the high pressure over us and to our east, jet stream to our north, and that is classic. That is a classic chart there for some nice spring weather. Into the weekends, we do see the pressure weakening through the country, so we'll start to see showers breaking out on Sunday, I think. Into Monday, we see heavier rain around the country. And next week is very, very unsettled. Next Friday, May 17th, looks like could be a very wet day then. That's not looking good next week. We're pretty much constantly under low pressure from Monday till Friday. Here is the GEM. GEM is again showing some high pressure. This is a lovely week coming up. But but again, as you saw, we might have to pay for it next week. Into the weekend, again, pressure weakens, especially through Sunday, and low pressure starts to dig through. And into next week, Monday is cyclonic, Tuesday is cyclonic, Wednesday is cyclonic, Thursday is cyclonic, and Friday is actually not too bad on Friday compared to the ECM. And here is the UK Met run. UK Met run is like this. Okay, so again, this week is warm and dry up until Friday and Saturday. Sunday sees the pressure weakening slightly, and we'll see showers breaking out and then rain. Now, UK Met run brings in this deep low next week. It's quite warm with that, yes, southerly winds, but plenty of rain. Icon, again, same story. High pressure through till Saturday and Sunday before the trough starts to form right over the country. But Icon has that trough, it's not as deep on the Icon really. And by Wednesday, it's pushing to our south. There's quite a warm easterly wind as well, and the high pressure might be going again from the north. And finally, here's the arpege. Again, the arpege is showing plenty of high pressure jet stream to our north, and the lows are far away. And by Sunday, the pressure is weakening from the west and southwest. Everyone, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.